Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Sidra Bank online banking account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Sidra Bank online account, go ahead and open up a web browser. In the URL box, type in www.mindsidra.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll be able to see these two options. If you'd like to create an account for Sidra Bank, then click on create an account button and follow through the on-screen prompts till the end. If you want to log in and access to your digital bank account, then click on the sign in with KYC port option. In the login area, you'll need to type in your email address, enter your email address associated with kycport.com and head over to the next field and type in your password. If you don't remember your password, you can click on the forgot password link and get help resetting your password. After filling in all of your credentials, click on the login button to log into your kycport.com and then you'll be able to log into your Sidra Bank account. That is how you'll be able to access and log into your Sidra Bank online account. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.